I'm Mustafa, and welcome to Dumbass. Let's bring it on.
Alright, this is Honk For Peter. Yeah, we got a honk. Everybody loves Peter Griffin. We got Mustafa in the Peter Griffin suit, holding a sign that says Honk For Peter, and everybody's honking. Woo! Yeah!
I love this day. Makes me feel happy.
That's good for you, Phil. Come on, honk.
Honk out. Ha!
Sweet! Another honk.
Oh, no.
Another. Oh, yeah. That's a nice car. Whoa! Yeah, as you can tell.
Off the street.
As you can tell, we're not at home. We're like at this place. We rode our bikes here. Just stranded here. Oh! Sweet.
How many do we have?
Have you been counting?
No.
Say about 5.
No, way more than 5. Like at least 7.
Yeah.
Maybe 8.
Ah, he just flipped us off. That guy just flipped us the bird. What an ass. Oh, we just got flipped off. Yeah.
Notice how none of the girls honk.
I know.
That person flipped us off because Red Sox.
I bet he did flip us off because of the Red Sox. Yeah. Here comes lots of cars. To your right, Mustafa. Yeah! Alright, guys, let's call it quits for the day.